Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you saw in our previous videos, we are done with the basic family modeling. Now it's time to introduce the family to a model, and this family can be a part of your library for years. So go to the blue file tab. Let's open a project to load this family. You can either click load into project or load into project and close. I'm not confident with my luck, so usually I keep it open assuming it's going to blow up. Click load into project. I want to place a window, and you can see I have a family model. When I click, you can see the window cut the wall. You can edit the parameter and duplicate family by clicking on edit family type. Next, I'll copy paste the window family to see that if it works. And yes, it worked. You can change the window with the help of temporary dimensions. Let's just place it at a distance of 6 feet. It's a quick little video, but I just wanted to show you how to find a family in a project browser. Here in the project browser, scroll down to see families option and click on plus sign to see the subcategories. At the last, you will see windows, and under that are loaded family. Thanks guys for following our family creation series. This was our last video for this series, but no worries, BIM is launching new series soon. So see you guys in our next video.